This is such a beautiful view. The sun is just coming up. It's about 6:15, almost 6:30 Acapulco time, and this is the open air villa, the living area. And what I will do is show you the entire villa in just a moment. $550 a month. Now this is the kitchen area, and as you can see, I purchased my own one stove burner because I do not like using the gas. The refrigerator is very, very large, and the microwave is extremely powerful. Now this leads out into the kitchen dining area, and it has the view. And moving on to the next room is the formal dining room. You can hear the birds chirping, and you can look at the view as you eat your formal meal or dinner, whatever. And again, we're back into the kitchen area. Now, this property, like I said, rents for $550 for me. Now, it is. You can find it on Airbnb. It may be at $700. Just talk to the owner about how much you can afford. If you're staying for 2 or 3 days, the rate is pretty much going to stay where it is or what's listed on Airbnb. But I stayed for, 4 months. So I was able to negotiate. Now when you come in the first door downstairs, there is a bedroom, and there's 2 beds which accommodate 2 people each. So that's 4 people there. If you look out the window, a lot of greenery. Very peaceful, very, very peaceful. Now this is the restroom area, and I am preparing to leave the property. So you will see in the second bedroom, I'm packing, getting ready to go. And this bedroom also has 2 beds, and it leads out to the patio, which has the private pool and also a view of the bay and the island. This is a very peaceful area. It appears to be safe. I have felt safe here for 4 months. And this is part of the expat lifestyle, with me traveling the world slowly. Now there's something you should know. The locals get up very, very early in the morning and prepare the meals for the day. That's because nobody wants to spend all their money on air conditioning. They use the fans. And what I did is I just figured out how to prepare quick and easy meals rather than get up early in the morning. Now, there's something else you should know. It is scorching hot out here midday, and I can wash the sheets, hand wash them, and then place them on this rail to dry. And within 90 minutes, they are completely dried. That's how hot it is.